Welcome to our tutorial about using templates in AutoCAD. When we start AutoCAD, the program by default uses the AutoCAD template. This has the file extension .dwt. That stands for Drawing Template. The DWT file is basically the same thing as the standard AutoCAD drawing file with extension DWG. Let me cancel out of this window for now. Now let's say we want to create a custom template. Let me place a custom graphic in my template. Let's say a rectangle right about here. Now let's go ahead and save the template. Click on Save. From the File Type drop-down menu, I'm going to select the drawing template, AutoCAD Drawing Template.dwt. And as you see, I've jumped to the template folder. I'm going to type in a name, My Template, and then click Save. The Template Options window appears where we can specify some more details like a description and a measurement type. Let's click OK. Now let's right-click in the graphic area and scroll down to Options. Let's go to the Files tab. Select the Template Settings branch, Default Template. Currently, there is no default template selected. Let's click Browse. I'm going to select the template we just created, My Template, and let's click Open. Now click Apply and OK. Now, when I restart AutoCAD, my new custom template will launch by default. This template is, of course, easy to modify or remove. Let's go back to Options. We can also get there by clicking the Application button and then click on the Options button. We need the Files tab, Template Settings branch, Default Template File Name. Select the file and click Remove. Now apply and OK. And this concludes our tutorial about creating and using templates.